Hi guys! Welcome back to your YouTube channel, JaarenVictoria and Jaren. In today's vlog, I just want to teach you on how to start a YouTube channel. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will never miss our next video. So no more further ado, let's get started. So here's my outline, guys. So let's proceed to step number 1. Step number 1 is to pick a topic that you are interested with, or you can pick a topic that is connected to the trendings right now or a popular videos, and through that I can give you a free tool on where to search a trendings today. Here, Google Trends. Just search this Google and you can have ideas of popular videos, and through that you can connect your videos through that popular videos. Step number 2, guys, is brainstorm video ideas, and through that I can help you through my latest video, this 40 plus YouTube video ideas, and you can watch this, guys, and through that you can gain ideas on what videos that you are gonna upload to YouTube. That's it. So the step 3, guys, is make a Gmail account. This. And in making, go to Google Chrome and search gmail.com. Then click create this one and fill up that and click next if you're done. Then verify your phone number. Next is fill up recovery information, this, and then click yes I'm in, and then click I agree, and you can have your Gmail account now. So the 4th step, guys, is create a YouTube account now because you have a Gmail now. So go to your YouTube app and add account and sign in your Gmail, then click next, then click I agree, and you have now your YouTube. That's simple, guys. So that's all, guys. I hope that it helped you, and please do share this video to your new YouTuber friends so that they can have ideas on how to start a YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will never miss our next video. So stay tuned, guys. God bless. Bye for now.